Hey babes, so yes, Saya is back with another tutorial. This is the updated soft block tutorial, so y'all already know. Let's get into it. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys how I make my parts and what kind of parts I do. Sometimes I do the square of the box parts, and then sometimes I do these, which are half circle parts. Okay, so now that I have my section, I usually take a little bit of my shining jam and just mold it down. Okay, you want it nice and molded. Look at that, boom. Okay, so once you've done that, you can braid on down. So right here, I'm just braiding on down. Okay, y'all, so now y'all are about to see why parts are important. Look at that. Nice and neat and beautiful. Please focus on your parts. Look how each braid is falling between another braid. Beautiful. Bow, bow, bow. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just grabbing my soft locks and I'm crocheting them in. I crochet about 1 inch away from the root because these are knotless soft locks, so crochet 1 inch away from the root like so, and then take your wrapping hair. I use spring twist hair to wrap and then proceed to wrap. Okay, y'all, so I want y'all to pay attention closely on how I wrap. I wrap around maybe about 3 or 4 times at the root. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then as I go down, I just wrap. Not over wrapping like I did at the root to make sure it's tight. I'm just wrapping, going down, wrapping, going down, wrapping, going down, like you see in the video. Now, don't get me wrong, I wasn't wrapping loosely, but you know, don't wrap as tight as you would at the root, okay? And boom, here you go. See the parts, see how nice the locks are. Boom. Y'all, just follow this method and keep watching for the final look. Get into those parts. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, so yeah, it was nice talking to you guys and teaching y'all a little of what I know. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, please subscribe, and I promise you I will come back with more easy tricks and tips for you guys to achieve these styles, okay? Okay, peace out.